Hey everybody, so today we got started on working on the cab here. So we're lowering the truck down as low as we can get it. The back end, we took it off the jack stands, the frame's resting on the concrete, and the front end, we just took the wheels off and we're gonna lower it down until it sits on the springs. Then we're gonna make another attempt at taking this cab off. If it proves a little bit too much for us, then we'll stop and then we'll get some help to come in and give us a hand. Hey everybody, so as you saw, we lifted the thing off. I want to say it went without a hitch, maybe a couple little stumbles and bumps, but nothing major. So we were able to get it off of the frame onto the sawhorses, and now we can get to work on the motor, we can get to work on the cab. Everything's available to us now, and it was a little easier than we thought it would, but a little harder than we hoped it was going to be. Hi everybody, I'm Chris here with the AMA Garage. So this is our latest update. What we're doing right now is last night we put together, last night we put together this frame right here. We're going to shout out to Andy at the Lawrenceville Garage. He had a little video up making one of these for his vehicle. So we just copied what he did, no reason to reinvent the wheel. Anyways, so we put this together last night, and so today what we're going to do is we're going to lift the cab up, put it back onto here so that we can move it around. We've got the casters on the bottom, 2 locking ones, everything spins and rotates. So that's what we're going to be doing now, so you get to see it when it's done. Everybody, as you saw, we got the cab moved out, put onto the frame and moved out. You can tell I did the majority of the lifting. Andrew, he helped. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take the frame and the engine out of the shop. We're going to move that out, make a little bit of room in there. Then we'll move the cab back in so that we can tear it down a little bit more, and eventually it's going to get sandblasted and everything, and we'll do metal repair. There's not a lot of damage to it, but there's a little bit. But that's our progress report for now. Hey everybody, welcome back. Right now what we're going to be doing is you saw already that we put the cab onto this frame that we made, and what we're going to be doing right now is rolling it up the ramp into the trailer. Going to be tying it down. We're going to be taking it in to get an inspection done on it just to verify the VIN numbers, which DOL, when they entered them into the computer, apparently they transposed one number, so got to have it re-inspected. So, but you get to watch us try to push it up this ramp now. Hi everybody. So we went and rolled this thing up the ramp and everything, and after we got it up the ramp, the one thing that we didn't measure was the height. So it would have fit inside the trailer, but it wouldn't get into the trailer. So it was probably about 3.5 inches too tall. So what we ended up doing was jacking it up, as you guys saw, cutting off the tops of the 4 corner posts and then lowering the cross beams down. So 4 inches on this side, 4.25, 4.5 on this side. Each block was a little screwy, a little off. But now that we've got it lowered, we're going to push it back up the ramp into the trailer again, and hopefully it fits this time, and we'll just tie it down. Alright, so we got it in, as you guys saw. So we got it all tied down and everything. And once we get this inspected and everything's good, I'm pretty sure everything will be fine. we'll get this back over here and kind of put away for now, and then we're going to be bringing a second truck over, which is a 1959 Chevy Apache, so same body style of course, and we're going to tear that one apart, and then we're gonna see what happens. So stay tuned, guys. Like and subscribe.